Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot in PowerPoint. Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint helps you a lot by creating presentations faster and generating slides for you, designing layout, summarizing content, and improving existing presentations if you do have so. So literally instead of building every slide manually from the scratch, you can describe what you need and let Copilot do much of the work for you. So, how to work with it? Simply, you need to launch Microsoft PowerPoint and create a new presentation or open an existing one. You need to do that throughout the Microsoft 365 Copilot. Also, make sure that you have a premium version since you cannot use Copilot without having one. You could use whatever version of these bundles that they have from personal, family, premium. They all have the Copilot included in them. So once you get it, you simply have to go to PowerPoint as you can see here and just create a new presentation. As you can see. Now, the AI can help you a lot. Not only when it comes to generating slides, which you could do literally by talking in plain English, like prompting. So it's literally create a presentation from a prompt like ChatGPT literally. Instead of going to web and searching for ChatGPT, you're going to use it in here. So one of Copilot's most powerful features that exists on here on PowerPoint is this one here. Let me just go to image. Let me just drag an image. I need an image right now. So let's say, for example, we do have anything here that has a background. Okay, let's say, for example, we do have this picture here. So I can literally just drag it, open my PowerPoint, and put it here. Now, I want this image to be in the PNG mode. So I need to remove the background. So with Copilot, you can literally use AI to actually remove the background. So you can just go to delete background, which is this button here, and the AI is going to delete it for you, which is pretty cool. Other than that, of course, in case you had a layout with other elements like text here, images, etc., you can literally just write down for the AI prompt and the Copilot should fix it, the layout for you and make it look better. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you guys next upcoming video.